Now you're really starting to market to real estate agents. You found the business cards, the hot leads, you know how to quadruple your inspection business, you know about the home maintenance book, you have that sample letter about the buyback guarantee. Use the $10,000 referral indemnification for real estate agents. InterNACHI is so sure of its inspectors that it will indemnify any licensed real estate agent in an amount up to $10,000 if a third party successfully sues the agent for negligent referral of an InterNACHI inspector. This protection is offered at no cost to agents who register. Click the link here. For more information about the free negligent referral protection program for real estate agents, and we have a marketing card in my bag, right? I never forget anything. And there it is there. There's the negligent referral program. And the card you just give to your real estate agent so that they can be marketed to by you. Now you're starting to implement these marketing tasks and starting to figure out how to communicate to real estate agents in various ways that look really professional at no cost to you because you are an InterNACHI certified home inspector.